I'm about to show you guys the fastest way to clean out and vacuum out your vehicle. Quick, easy, very simple. I'll show you guys how to do this using this right here. Alright guys, we're gonna be cleaning out the Nissan Pathfinder, big boy truck. And the fastest way is using a portable vac. You know what I'm saying? One thing I like about the portable vac, you can vacuum your car out anywhere. It's an Amazon, so let's go ahead and hit this. You ain't gotta worry about spending no money on nothing. Once you buy the vac, it's a done deal. Hey guys, you can see here my floor is somewhat dirty here. Check this out. I get some of this paper out of the way here. Alright, I'll show you guys here how quickly, effectively, and easily you back it out your vehicle. Look here. Alright, so let's get it. How fat good is picking it up. It's the quickest way. Sometimes be people around, car washes and stuff. It's the safest way in my opinion. You ain't gotta worry about being around nobody or none of that stuff. You clean your car up. Check this out. Sometimes those type of places is dangerous too. You know, car washes could be somebody hanging around and rob your ass. You can't never tell, man. Especially as a woman. Look at there. Check that out. Look how good it did that. Look new. Yeah. Watch this. Keep that process. Do the seats and all. Y'all see what I mean? Get this little leaf out. There we go. Oh man, that looks good, man. Amazing. Look at here. And it doesn't take long to do it. All down here, the gear shift. You can bag and all this stuff in. Get it all cleaned up. Look at this. Alright, so now we can move right to the other side. We got this side very clean, very presentable. As you guys saw, this is the fastest, most safe and effective way to clean your vehicle. Cause like I say, you know, hang around those car washes and stuff like that. You never know who's hanging around there. You never know if somebody's trying to rob you. It's just safer to get one of these and just use them in the area where it's like Walmart somewhere where it's more safer and you ain't gotta worry about hanging around trying to rob you. Alright, so check this out. See how dirty and grimy this carpet is. We're gonna hit it. Have a big boy Nissan Pathfinder looking pretty good. So let's get it. Here we go. It doesn't take long to do this. Probably about time to imp it out. No. How fast you can just backing that stuff up real fast like yeah. How quick that is, sir. And it's pretty strong as well. Not to mention it has good strength to it. Look how quick it is to do it. It's pretty quick. Only thing you have to do is shampoo the carpet. This up, get the seats. And pretty much it's a done deal here. Get them right, that's it. And pretty much, it's a done deal here. You can see all that junk it picked up in here. Check that out. Amazing amounts of junk. Look at there. Dirt, dust, grit, grass, grime, whatever. And you see the results. I mean, this thing has got plenty of power. As long as you keep it charged up, it'll run about an hour on one charge. So, man, you know how many cars? You can do 2-3 cars on one charge. And you see how clean the interior is now? Check that out, the seats. Everything looking all good. I like to share stuff like this, guys, because, you know, I got this from Amazon. If you're interested in the vac, I think I paid about 20-25 bucks for it. It's well worth it. Portable. You can use it anywhere, Walmart and places. Side the road if need to be, anywhere. You know, like I said, going to some of these car washes and stuff, you have to be careful. You never know if somebody hanging around trying to rob you or whatever. So, you know, you could use these in safe areas, I'll put it. And it has a lot of power for picking up heavy trash and stuff. So, anyway, hope you guys enjoy, man. Y'all hit that subscribe button. Y'all get them interiors clean on them cars. Till next time, I'm going to hit you guys on the next video. Y'all stay up, player. Peace.